With the right strategies and mindset, you can start saving money and working towards your financial goals. Number 1. Price comparison. One of the best ways to ensure that you're getting the best deal possible is by comparing price tags at various stores across your community. Start by creating a list of the items you need to purchase and the stores that sell them. Then visit each store and compare prices for the same items. It's also a good idea to check for any sales or discounts that might be available. When comparing prices, be sure to take into account any additional costs, such as shipping or taxes. Sometimes, a store may have a lower price for an item, but the additional cost may make the overall cost higher. You can also look for savings online. Many stores offer online discounts, promo codes, and coupons that can help you save money. You can also check out online marketplaces like Amazon, which often have competitive prices and free shipping for Prime members. Another way to save money is to check local flyers for sales and deals. Many stores publish weekly flyers that list their current sales and promotions. You can also sign up for email alerts from your favorite stores to receive notifications about upcoming sales. Number 2. Swear off debt. If you want to learn how to stop overspending, it's crucial to say goodbye to debt forever. Why? Because debt takes away from your income and traps you into making payments with interest for a long time. In reality, your debt controls you until you pay it off. Consider this. If you go out to a fancy dinner with friends and pay with a credit card, you might as well just burn your next paycheck. If you forget to pay on time, interest starts to add up, and that $20 meal turns into an even more expensive mistake. And what do you have to show for it? In today's world, it's easy to finance or borrow almost anything, making you feel more financially secure than you actually are. But it's a mirage. It gives you a false sense of affordability for purchases like a new car or home. Here's the truth. If you don't have the money to pay for something right now, you can't afford it. So take a bold step and commit to living debt-free. Cancel your credit cards. And remember, credit only enables you to overspend. Without credit, you can only spend what you have. Number 3. Make your budget work for you. Are you ready to take control of your finances? Let's start by creating your monthly spending plan, and what we like to call a budget. The most preferred budget is a zero-based budget. That means every dollar you earned is assigned a purpose, and your income minus your expenses equals zero. This helps ensure that you're being intentional with your money and not overspending. If you're new to budgeting, give yourself some grace. It may take a few months to get the hang of it, and if you're an experienced budgeter, it's always a good idea to review your monthly expenses and look for ways to cut costs. To make budgeting easier, try using every dollar. You can create a budget in just 10 minutes, track your spending, and monitor your debt and savings progress each month. With a little discipline and a good budget, you'll be on your way to financial freedom in no time. Number 4. Cleaning saves money and sanity. During the week, we all work hard and look forward to the weekend to unwind and have some fun. However, often we are met with the dilemma of finding engaging activities that fit within our budget. This is where creative solutions come into play, such as cleaning your house, which may not sound like a thrilling way to spend your time, but it can be quite satisfying and a fantastic way to burn off energy and stress. To make the task of cleaning more enjoyable, you can take inspiration from Maria Kondo's famous book on decluttering and tidying up, or indulge in her show on streaming platforms to get motivated to go through your home room by room. You might even find items that you no longer use or need that can be sold for extra cash. Moreover, clearing out old stuff can provide you with an opportunity to recognize how frequently we buy things and then forget about them, leading to unnecessary expenses and clutter. Number 5. Accountability buddy. One effective way to stay on track with your financial goals and budget is to find a financial accountability buddy. This is someone who can support and encourage you in your journey towards financial stability. Having a financial accountability buddy means that you can check in with each other regularly, whether it be once a week or whenever you are about to make an impulse purchase. By doing so, you can keep each other accountable and stay motivated to save money. Your buddy can ask you the right questions and remind you why you started saving in the first place. This can be especially helpful during times when you feel tempted to splurge on unnecessary expenses. In addition to keeping each other accountable, having a financial accountability buddy also allows you to share your successes and struggles. Celebrating your achievements together can be a great source of motivation, and knowing that someone else is facing similar challenges can be reassuring and make the process feel less daunting. When choosing a financial accountability buddy, it's important to select someone you trust and who shares similar financial goals and values. They should be someone who is willing to be honest and direct with you, even when it's uncomfortable. Ideally, you also have a good rapport with them and be comfortable discussing financial matters openly. Number 6, shop with a goal in mind. We have all been in situations where we run out of a few essential items like shampoo and toothpaste, and we rush to the store to restock. But as soon as we walk into the store, we find ourselves drawn to the dollar spot, and our cart gets filled with colorful cell phone chargers and water toys for the kids that we don't even need. These impulsive purchases can quickly add up, turning a simple trip to the store into an expensive outing. When it may be tempting to indulge in these purchases, it is essential to stay focused on your original purpose. To avoid getting sidetracked, it is helpful to stick to a list and avoid stores that tend to make you spend more than you intended. Alternatively, you could consider sending someone else to do your shopping for you. By staying mindful of your spending habits, you can save money and avoid unnecessary purchases. Number 7, visualize your savings goals. One way to keep yourself on track and motivated is by creating a progress bar for your savings goals. A progress bar is a visual representation of your savings goal, where you track your progress towards that goal by coloring in a bar or a pie chart or some other visual representation. Seeing your progress in a tangible way can be a great motivator. When you create a progress bar, you can see how far you've come and how much closer you are to reaching your goal. It's also a great way to stay focused and accountable to your savings plan. Creating a progress bar can also be a fun and frugal activity that you and your family can try together. You can involve everyone in creating the progress bar, and it can be a great way to teach children about the importance of saving money and setting financial goals. Moreover, it can become a shared experience that brings your family closer together as you work towards a common goal. To create a progress bar, you can use a simple spreadsheet or even a piece of paper and a pen. Divide the total amount you need to save into increments, such as weekly or monthly, and color in the progress bar accordingly. Make sure to display your progress bar somewhere visible, such as on your fridge or a bulletin board, so you can see it every day. Number 8, resist sales. Everyone loves a good deal, right? Retailers know their customers, and they also know how irresistible the pull of a flashy sales rack can be. But have you ever stopped to consider how much all this savings is really costing you? If you buy a sweater you were never going to buy just because it's 25% off, you're still spending 75% more than you would have if you never bought it in the first place. Sorry folks, that's not saving money. To avoid falling into these shopping traps, make a list before you head out and practice some self-discipline once you're there. If you see an item on sale that isn't on your list, it wasn't meant to be. And if you can't stop thinking about it, add it to your budget for next month. With that said, thank you for watching. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more. And if you found this content helpful, give the video a like. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.